Hi everybody, thanks for stopping in to watch my video on my channel. Today is going to be a blue day. So I'm going to be doing a whole pile of blues, and then I'm going to be throwing in a metallic gold. And of course I'm going to be using the whites and the blacks as well. Alright, so first I'm going to be putting on black because I want black all over it. That's going to be the base color, so I'm going to spread that all around. All right, so here I go. Let's see how all these blues are going to work together. So first of all, I'm going to do a small layer of the light blue. This one's called sky blue. Next, I can pop the lid open. Next is called a paradise blue. Just enough to cover all that. So there we've got the paradise blue. Next is called Pacific blue. I don't know why I couldn't say that. So as you see, I'm going light to dark. Just putting enough on to cover a layer. Next is sapphire blue. That's the sapphire blue. And the last blue is peacock blue. Peacock blue is really pretty. And then I'm going to do some white. Put the white on the top. So you can see here. And now is the point that I'm going to put the gold on the top. And there. See, lots of gold in the top. It's the only layer that I'm going to do in the gold. Okay, so this is going to be a little harder. And a piece of cardboard. See if I can find one. There we go. Okay, so we're going to flip this over. And there we go. Give that a minute to settle. Drip some more of that paint out of there. All right. So now I'm going to mix some more black around the edge. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip some of this over, some of the black. Next, I'm just going to want to swirl it. And take it this way. I do have this level. Sure wants to run though. That way one more time. All right, this way one more time. There we go. Okay, now tilt it. Trying to keep that black in the middle. These here, just to help me out when I'm tipping it. A little bit of a large frame to be able to hold it and tip. I need a third hand. There we go. Just about where I want it. Okay, so there, I'm going to take out. And thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the show, please do. My channel is always coming up with different crafts and different ideas that I'm going to be doing. And all you need to do is go here to subscribe. And I think I'm still doing it the wrong way. So either this way or this way. Also, leave some comments. I would really like to know what you think of the show or even what you would like to see. All right, so any questions, let me know, and you guys have a wonderful day.